chào mọi người, mình là Võ Văn Dũng, giáo viên tại IELTS Workshop. Hôm nay trong chuyên mục Speaking Samples, mình sẽ cùng mọi người đi qua câu trả lời cho đề Speaking. Describe your favorite food at a traditional festival or a special event in your country. Being a Vietnamese, there's one quintessential food that people must have during traditional festivals or holiday, and that is bánh chưng. This is a rice-based food that's most prominently eaten during Lunar New Year, and it's one of my favorite food. Bánh chưng is made with the most rustic ingredients. The outer layer is made from sticky rice and shaped like a square, whereas the filling has mung beans and pork belly that is seasoned with pepper. All of that is wrapped in something that's similar to banana leaves and boiled for hours. The result is this food that has a chewy, sticky outer layer and a pork filling so tender that it melts in your mouth, all of which creates a nice texture. To add more flavor, honey is usually drizzled on it. These days, people tend to put a modern twist on this food by deep frying it and then serving it with pickled cucumber, a mixture of soy and chili sauce, and sometimes sausages. This makes the flavor profile more diverse while giving the food a crispy outer layer, which makes it more appealing to younger generations. And I just can't get enough of these fried bánh chưng every time Lunar New Year comes around. So every year, my extended family would gather and make bánh chưng together at one of my cousin's house, because this is a time-honored Vietnamese tradition. To me, bánh chưng isn't simply a food, but a representation of togetherness and family, the values that we Vietnamese cherish deeply, and that is why I like bánh chưng. Và vừa rồi là câu trả lời mẫu của mình cho đề Speaking. Describe your favorite food at a traditional festival or a special event in your country. Hy vọng mình đã có thể cung cấp cho mọi người những ý tưởng và từ vựng hữu ích cho chủ đề này. Một lần nữa, mình là Võ Dũng, giáo viên tại IELTS Workshop. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại mọi người trong những video lần sau.